Hello, welcome back to African Real Estate, and today we are in the heart of Nairobi. To be specific, we are in Westlands, exactly 5 minutes from the GTC and exactly 6 minutes from the Sarit Center. This is the development, actually the only development that is giving you the most affordable 2 and 3 bedroom apartments in Westlands right now. The 2 bedrooms are starting from 87 square meters at a price of 11.7, and the 3 bedrooms are starting from 115 square meters at a price of 15.1 million Kenya shillings. Westland is centrally located and it gets access to all social amenities that you may require. Top of mosque, churches, schools, recreational facilities, and anything else that you would want. If you like shopping, Westlands is the place to be. And if that is not enough, this development is giving you several amenities to make sure that your life is as smooth as it can be. And the amenities include a heated swimming pool which will be on the roof deck. There will be a steam and sauna for the residents. There will be a kids play area, a fully equipped gym, a coffee house, and a clubhouse. That is more than enough. This development comes with a 3 bedroom that looks exactly like this. It doesn't come furnished, but we can get it furnished for you on request. The living room will look exactly like this, big enough to fit a 5-seater couch, and you'll have a focal point on that side. The light fixtures will come as standard, and I'm loving the ceiling heights because this developer capitalizes on quality as the #1 thing. From the main entrance, the unit comes with a smart lock, and one thing that I didn't tell you is that this smart lock is rechargeable, and one charge of it would last you 6 months. So you do not have to worry like what happens if it's not charged or if there is no electricity. One charge is enough to serve you for half an year. On this other side, the 3-bedroom unit comes with an office or a study, and it has been done excellently. This would be perfect for you if you like working from home, or if you have children who are doing homework or they want to get their space to do their studies. This would be excellent. I think this is a very good thought. Next to the study, you get an access to your closed kitchen. If you would want the developer to give you an open kitchen, it is possible. But right now, the units come with a closed kitchen. Come to this other side. The kitchen comes with a laundry area on my far front. You get upper and lower cabinetry that contrast very well. The developer has also given you a double sink which comes with a tilting faucet just to make sure that it is easy for you to wash and rinse your utensils. On this other side, you have some space that has been left for your cooking, and it comes standard with a hood, a cooktop, and an oven will be added down here. This is the space that has been left for your refrigerator, and as I said, this kitchen can come open if that's what you want. From the kitchen, you have this space that has been reserved for your dining set, and it would easily fit a 4 dining set like this one, or a 6 dining set if you like, or if you have a big family. On this other side, you have a console table where you can do your shoe rack. Proceeding to this other side, you have the living room, and it has been done very well. I like it that you're getting an access there to your balcony, and from that balcony, you get a ton of natural light. For the people who are going to purchase this unit, I would suggest you take the ones on the upper levels because the view from the balcony is just spectacular. Westland is very, very beautiful. From the balcony, we are going to take this small walkway that is taking you to the 3 bedrooms. Come with me. On my right hand side, you have the common washroom. This is your first bedroom. The second bedroom is here, and behind me, you have the primary bedroom. We'll see that in a sec. Later, after this, I'll show you the two bedroom because it comes totally different and it is very good, especially if you want to do investment. The common washroom is also acting as the bathroom to the first bedroom, and it comes fully fitted with all the fixtures that you may require. You are getting a rain shower and a handheld. This becomes your WC, and on this other edge you get your vanity. A towel holder is very important. Let's see the first bedroom. The first bedroom is targeting your tiny children, and as you can see, the developer has given it a very good theme for the children. You get this chair where you can sit and watch your child sleep, or you can sit here and read a book for them. You are also getting an alcove where your child can sit with the friends or the other siblings to enjoy their favorite game. On this side, you get the closet that is targeting your tiny children. It has been partitioned very well, and it comes with spaces enough for you to keep all your children's clothes. The space down there is for the shoes. And one thing to note is that love is like a flower. Is it really though? Anyway, let's continue. From the entrance of the second bedroom, you have the second bathroom, and it comes with a shower cubicle done very well, and it would easily fit one person. On this other side, you get your WC, and on this other side, you have your vanity and some compartment where you can keep all your toiletries. Here you have the sleeping space, and it is big enough to do a 5x6 bed like this one, and you'll have some spaces on the side to do your side drawers. The ceiling heights are excellent. The closet is on my far front, and the alcove has been finished very well, coming with some drawers here where you can keep some of your books. Oh, Jesus. And if you're not doing that, maybe you can sit here and do some meditation before you go to bed. One thing to note is that this bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet. From the second bedroom, we are in the primary bedroom, and it comes with its bathroom here. It is the biggest, and it has a space that has been reserved for your bathtub. On this other side, you have your showers, you have spaces to keep your soaps. The vanity is on my far front, and at the center, you have a WC. What you get is a similar concept, but a bigger room. The primary bedroom comes with the biggest space, and you can easily do a king-size bed like this one. If you would want to see more of these units and their comparables, make sure you check out our website, African Real Estate. This is the standard closet that you get in the primary bedroom, though it can be extended to here if you like shopping. The headboard has been done very well. The lightings are very standard and very bright, so you do not need to have a problem with darkness at any time. On this other side of the bedroom, you have a space where you can do your dresser, and you get an access to your balcony, and from here you'll be able to enjoy the best sunrise. From the 3-bedroom, let's see the 2-bedroom. The entrance comes with a smart door as usual, and it is wide enough for all your furniture to get inside. From the entrance, you get this small foyer that welcomes you to the inside of the 2-bedroom. On my left hand side, you have your dining space, and it has been reserved to hold a 4-seater dining set. It has been done excellently, and the space is ample to interact with the people who are sitting on this other side. The dining space gives you extra compartments where you can keep your cutlery and crockery just in preparation for the food or for the dinner that will be enjoyed in this space. This other side has been reserved for your living room. It has been done very well, and you can easily do a 4-seater couch like this or a bigger couch. The focal point is on this side, and you can easily do a 55-inch TV like this one or a bigger one. On my far left, you get the balcony to this 2-bedroom, and it is massive. Let me show it. From this balcony, you'll be able to get the best views of Sarit Center, and you'll also get a ton of natural light through these sliding doors. For the people who would want to purchase this for investment purposes, the rate of return is very, very good. And because it is a 2-bedroom, you can easily hold a big family here, or maybe a couple. Next to the dining area, you have the kitchenette. And it has been done very well, and it is big enough for a 2-bedroom unit, coming fully fitted with all the common fixtures that you may expect, and you are also getting upper and lower cabinetry. This door is opening to your laundry area where you can do your washer and dryer. The kitchen also comes with a double sink to make sure that it is very easy for you to wash your utensils. This other side has been reserved for your refrigerator. On my left hand side, you have the common washroom, which doubles as the bathroom to the first bedroom. And it comes with a vanity on that far end, a WC at the center, and a shower cubicle. This is the first bedroom. It is not the biggest, though it would easily fit a 4x6 bed like this one. The window is on this side to give you enough natural light. The bedroom also comes with a closet as usual, and it has been very well partitioned, giving you some spaces there for the shoes. From the second bedroom, let's see the primary. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you get the primary bathroom, and it comes slightly bigger than the one that we just saw. A vanity is on that side, and you are getting all the other fittings that you may require. The sleeping space of the primary bedroom is big enough to do a 6x6 bed like this one, or a bigger bed. As you have seen, the developer has done a similar concept of an alcove, and the window is big enough to give you enough natural light. The closet is slightly bigger than the one that we found in the other bedroom, and this would be excellent for you and your partner, coming with all the spaces that you may require. Drawers down there and spaces for the shoes. Here you can keep the hangable clothes, and I'm loving this artwork. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached down here. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you have a unit that you're selling, make sure you post it on our website, africanrealestate.com.